Hello guys, we are going to make a project of connecting two SIP phones using asterisk. So installing asterisk we need Linux, and I'm going to use VirtualBox to install Linux on my laptop. So first step is to download VirtualBox. You can download VirtualBox from this website virtualbox.org, and if you're using Windows version you can download from the link here, this link. And for other things like OS X or Linux, you can download it from here. And the second thing you need to do is download Ubuntu. So here's the website ubuntu.com. You can download the latest version of Ubuntu from here. After downloading these files you will get these two files here in your downloads. The first thing you have to do is install VirtualBox in your computer. Follow just these simple steps to install VirtualBox on your computer. Just install it. Now as you can see, my VirtualBox installation is done. Just launch the application VirtualBox. Now you have to create a new machine over here. You are already saying one machine over here because I have already installed Ubuntu in this, but you will get nothing over here and you need to create a new machine. Just follow the simple steps. Now just give any name to it, like project asterisk, and select type Linux and select Ubuntu. I'm using my computer is 64-bit version, so I'm using 64-bit. If yours is 32, then you have to select 32-bit. Then assign RAM. 1 GB is essential for it. You can give more if you have more RAM. Just follow the default options. These are good. VDI should be dynamically allocated. Give near about 12 GB hard disk to it. Yeah, it's good. Now you can see here we have a machine. Now we have to assign a file to it. Go to storage, click empty, select the icon here and virtual disk file. Now you have to locate the file you have downloaded. Select that file and open it and press OK. You're done. Now you just start the machine. It will take couple of minutes, I think. After initialization you will see this screen over here. Press install Ubuntu. Now you can click the download updates, continue. Okay, now select the erase disk and install Ubuntu. Just do it because it will not harm any data in your computer. Continue. Select the time zone, continue. Select the keyboard and continue. Now you just have to write your name, computer's name and password. Choose any simple password or any complex password, it's up to you. Now it starts installing. It will take a couple of minutes and you can have your coffee in that time, and I will just fast forward it. can see my installation is done and I have to restart it now. Press the restart button. You can see my Ubuntu is restarted and it is asking for password. Put the password you have already assigned it. Now you can see Ubuntu is ready to go. It is completely installed. Our next step is to install asterisk in our Ubuntu. Go to terminal. Using the terminal you can install asterisk on your Ubuntu. First give update command. Type the password. It will start updating your repositories. It's done. Now give the command to upgrade. Type Y and enter. It will fetch new upgrade files for you. It may take a couple of time to upgrade the system. Be patient. Now upgradation is done. Now you need to give command for asterisk installation. Sudo apt-get enter. So it starts. Type Y, enter. It started installing asterisk on my Ubuntu. So it will also take some time. Now you can see my asterisk is successfully installed. Now to run the asterisk, we need to give command sudo space asterisk space -r password. Now you can see it is successfully running. So our next step is to configure asterisk for two zip phones. For making configuration, we need to edit two files. One is zip.com and other is extensions.com. So I have write commands over here to edit these files. First we need to make backup of these files. So I can just copy and paste over here. So I made a backup of it. Now I have to edit zip.com file. So there is a new file open. Now I have to write all the syntax given here. So in the syntax we have configured two phones. One is 7001 and another is 7002. Now I have typed all the syntax in this zip.conf file. So now to save this file we have to press here colon and then W enter. So zip.conf file is saved. Now we have to configure extension file. so we need to make a backup of the file first. We just copy the command over here. The command is sudo mv the path to the file and the path to the new file. Enter. Again asking for password. Okay. Now I made a backup of the file. Now the same thing with it. We have to edit this file using an editor. So I'm using a Vim. So do like sudo space vi, wait for the editor, and pass to the file. Again it will open a new file. Now I have to write all the syntax here in the new file. So after writing everything, I will syntax in this extension file, save the file using the command shift colon wq enter. So my extension file is created, and I'm also configuring a third file which is voicemail.com. This is just for voicemail because I have configured I have also configured voicemail in my extension file. So here first make a backup of it, then edit the voicemail.com file. So now I'm going to edit a voicemail file. Okay, yes, it opens a new file. Now I'm going to write the syntax in this file. So now I'm going to save this file by using command colon w2 enter. Yes, it is done. I have configured all the files that were required. Now I'm going to run the asterisk. So I have configured all the files. So I need to reload it. Just type reload. It will reload all the changes. Now I can check my configuration by using the zip show peers command. Sorry. Oh, now you can see here two zip phones are configured, 7001, 7002. So our next step is to install zip phones on your laptop. So one zip phone you can download from Counterpath website. Here is the link. So you can download for your Windows or Mac. You can see I have already downloaded and installed the Xlite. So you need one more zip phone to be installed. You can install that in your laptop or as well as in you can install your second zip phone in your phone, as I have installed in my iPhone. There is a app called LinPhone. You can use this as your zip phone. It is available in Android as well as Apple. So for configuring the zip phones we need username, password and domain. We know the username and password because we configured them in the file we added in zip.conf. But for knowing domain we need to type a command if config. So here is the IP for Ubuntu, also for asterisk server, and there is the IP for my computer. The problem is my computer's IP is in different network than the asterisk IP. So to make them work, we need both of them in the same network. To do that, we need to go into the settings of Ubuntu, go to network, select bridge adapter in adapter 1, yes, okay. Now go to your Ubuntu. Now again type if config. Now my IP has been changed. It is 192.168.0.2.43 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and as well, so here in my laptop they are in the same network. Now my laptop's IP is 192.168.0.21 and subnet mask is same, so it will work now. Now to configure Xlite, go to account settings. Is the account name, is your number, your user ID is 7001 as we defined in zip.conf. So our domain is 192.168 .0.43. Our password for this one is 123. Oh, now you can see my Xlite phone is enabled over here. Now also by using command zip show peers, you can see my 17001 is enabled. Here is the IP of the phone, and here it is showing one is online and one is offline. Now register the zip phone on your phone. Use zip account. Make sure it should be connected to the same Wi-Fi, and it should be in the same network. And now I have put the username, password and domain and this link phone too. The username is 7002 as we defined in zip.com files for another phone. Password is 456 as we set secret in that file, and domain name is the IP of Ubuntu. It's 192.168.0.43. Now we are going to register it. So yes, it is registered, and now I will make a call from here to there. Our another number is 7001. Yes, I got the call, so save it. Hello. I think it's a problem with the mic. Hello. The problem was here. Should be speakerphone mode. Now, hello. Yes. That is good. Everything worked good. Our project got successful. Thank you.